Hi, we're out here at a park out of town today, and wanted to share a few moments with you all. We're walking along this trail, and we went on one in the other direction too, and both of them are getting a little bit too muddy for us. I didn't think it had rained that much out here recently, but evidently maybe some leftovers from a couple of weeks ago when they had some really heavy rains over in this area. And anyway, it's very beautiful out here. Enoch's ready to do some more walking. We will do some more walking, just not right in this area. There's a lot of it's just too muddy, and some of the water is a little bit deep too for little Enoch. I'd have to pick him up and carry him through. I don't care to get all that sloppy and wet either right now, but anyway, there's much to enjoy out here without going on the areas that are really wet. This is a beautiful area. Hadn't been out here in a while. It's a beautiful day, clear blue skies. Hopefully they'll stay that way a while. Such a beautiful day. It's a little muddy this way. You might want to give it a go, but we didn't want to give it a try.
We were just wondering about
yeah,
that.
Yeah, I didn't think it'd be that bad out here.
Yeah, we tried to go to that alligator boardwalk, but
yeah,
it doesn't exist.
It's real. Yeah, it doesn't exist anymore. It got washed out.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's a 20-foot patch of boardwalk, and that's it.
That's about all that's left.
Wow. Well, have fun. Those people are brave in that they went through that. I guess maybe it's not as bad as it looks, but anyway, there's plenty of other areas we can walk around that's not as muddy. I guess you must probably heard them say that they have a boardwalk called Alligator Boardwalk, and they said it got washed away from all the flooding rains we had here a couple of weeks ago, and we actually were headed in that direction a little while ago, and when it started getting too muddy, too many puddles, we turned around and came back this way. We'll head back shortly to the entrance of this area. There's several little trails that you can go on, and then probably go check out the campsites and walk around that area. And they have a little beach area here too, so we'll try to check that out too while we're here. So anyway, just wanted to share some of this scenery with you all, and also to tell you that Jesus loves you very much. Little Enoch and I love you too, and we hope you have a very blessed day. We'll talk to you later.